Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. It's Odette here. Hope you guys are all doing well. So I was really busy filming this makeup look for you guys. Really busy doing that, talking my way through this video, and I didn't realize my camera died until I heard a beep, because normally when I'm finished filming a video I will offload the footage to my camera and then charge my battery up. But I really thought I did that, so it must have recorded, I would say maybe 3 or 4 minutes of the video, so there was nothing recorded. So I'm gonna have to redo this look for you guys another time, but in the meantime I'm gonna tell you what I do have on my face. Oh my god, I am just so pissed. Maybe I need a retreat. Maybe I need to go to a warm island and have maybe some naked guys fan me around and just feed me some grapes or something. I mean, I don't know, it's just really weird. Anyway, so I use this I used this eyeshadow palette that I got from Mark & Spencer. I must have showed you guys this a long time ago. You do have your blushes in here, and you do have some lipsticks and some nice soft warm colors, so that's what I use. There's a creamy color here that I will use as a transition, and then I use the brown and the black. I used this blur stick from Makeup Revolution, and I didn't realize that this was so good because I've had this before, and I think I must have used it one time. But I feel like it really does blow your skin out to give you this really soft matte finish on your face, and it almost makes all of your pores disappear. Not to worry guys, it's going to be coming up in a tutorial. And my eyelashes are from Dorella Cosmetics. These ones are called Esther. Now the shimmer on my eyes is from Amazon, and this is the ultra metallic eyeshadow, and this is called Nicole, and I got this from Amazon. So if I find this, it's going to be linked below for you guys. And then I did show you the lip jello from the Collections brand. That's what's on my lip with I think it's chestnut lip liner that I did use, or auburn I think it is, and that's it. So the whole tutorial will be coming up another time. And this is the eyeshadow. This is a Revolution highlighter reload. It's called Make an Impact. Guys, you have to get this particular one. This is so good, and this is what I do have in the corner of my eyes. Amazing. So I do have my little glitter on, and it's called Who Needs Clothes from Miss Fenty Beauty. That's what I do have on my chest. That's the little bit of a glitter that you see. And again, this is a brush that I use to do that, and this is Real Techniques retractable brush. This is from Superdrug. If you want to go pick this up, it's going to be linked below for you guys. So today I'm just going to do an unboxing for you guys, and this is the Lookfantastic beauty box for January. And you guys know that I do like this beauty box from Lookfantastic. They've got really good products, and in the cover it just says Revive, Refresh, Recycle, and hashtag LF Beauty Box. That's what's written on the inside. Many of you probably already did your unboxing, so if you haven't done that yet, please turn off this video. This is not for you. This is going to be like a spoiler. And of course, in the box you always have an Elle magazine. And Miss Queen Bee is gracing the covers of this Elle magazine this month in this box, in the Elle magazine right there. And it's a smaller version, but you do have, you know, the usual fashion and makeup and stuff like that in here. It's a really good beauty box, and of course it comes like that. Many of you already know that already. And you do have the little booklet here that tells you what's on the inside. What products you've got, and I guess how to use them and everything like that. And yeah, it's really good. So of course, nicely packaged, so we're just going to see what's on the inside, and I'm going to link everything in the description box for you guys. I don't usually do a lot of unboxing on my channel because, you know, sometimes I think the products are just so much, and you know, you have all these little samples just hanging around, you have no idea what to do with, unless you want to do a giveaway or something. So we are going to start by looking at this product. The first thing I'm going to pull out, this is a fragrance-free, what's this, Ecooking Moisturizing Serum. Oh, let's just see what this is all about. It's called Ecooking Moisturizing Serum. Replenish lost moisture and hydrate your skin with the weightless, non-greasy moisturizing serum from Ecooking. Full of hyaluronic acid to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, vegan and free from parabens and fragrances. Wow. And then it tells you how to use this. And this is the packaging right here, very small. Okay, I don't think it tells you the retail price of this. Okay, it just says to pump a couple of drops onto fingertips and spread gently over cleansed skin. Amazing, really, really good. Let me just pump a little bit out. I guess, oh, I'm gonna take the cover out, right? Let's just see if it has any scent to it. So there is no scent to it. Oops, it's on my nose. I guess it just melts right into your skin, eh? It's like a gel consistency. There is no scent to it. So next I do have this, what is it? It's Sabastian Dog Oil. It's a shampoo. And let's just see. Ooh, okay. So Dog Oil Lightweight Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay. Infused with a special blend of nourishing oils, including jojoba and argan. This salon-grade shampoo and conditioner duo effectively cleanses and conditions hair without weighing it down. Use regularly to see a noticeable improvement in softness, volume, and shine. Yeah, I've never actually heard of that brand before. So next I do have this tea tree oil. It's a spot stick, soothing and effective. Tea tree oil, Australian body care. This is the packaging right there. Okay, let's just open this up. Let's just see what it says. Yeah, and this is what this looks like. Okay, thought it was just a bit blurry there. So this says treat that spot fast with the help of the Australian Body Care Blemish Stick, infused with 100% tea tree oil. Use at the first sign of breakout to fight bacteria, reduce redness, and speed up the healing process. Interesting. Looking forward to using that. Oh, ooh, it has sort of almost like a minty type of a smell to it. Interesting products. Wow. Good products so far in this box. This is a pencil from Lord & Berry. I do have one from Lord & Berry already. And this is just a Lord & Berry Ultimate Lip Liner. And this is worth £15. Wow. Interesting. Oh, wait a minute. I see the prices now. So the Ecooking Moisturizing Serum retails for £21.50. The pencil retails for £15. Oh, I didn't see that. The Sabastian, pardon me, the Sabastian Professional Oil, which is a shampoo and conditioner, retails for £7.92. The tea tree oil retails for $9.99. Okay, there we go. And this is the conditioner here, the shampoo and conditioner together. So next I do have this Mio Fit Skin for Life Boob Tube. Really? Multi-action bust cream. High intensity body care. Really? Let's see. Let me just show you up close the product first. That's the packaging right there. So, Mio Skincare Boob Tube, skin tight or shrink to fit, worth £9. These antioxidant-rich cream effectively tone and soothe the appearance of skin, revealing soft, firm, fit skin for life. Infused with a wide mix of beneficial ingredients including papaya, hyaluronic acid, green tea, caffeine. These products will look after your skin from top to toe. Wow. But I mean, it says Boob Tube, but it's a body care. I'm gonna have to figure that out. And this is this retails for £9. So next I do have this reusable makeup remover pads. Let's just open this up and see what's inside. This is the packaging here before I open it up. Okay. And you have 3 pads on the inside. Okay. And these are reusable makeup remover pads, and 3 of them are in the pack. let's just see what this is all about. Interesting. Ooh. So this is from a company called Glov. This is the Moon Pad. It's worth £7.11. It says minimize your makeup removal routine with the help of Glov Moon Pads. Reusable and sustainable. These pads are made from microfibers that breaks down dirt and impurities to give a deep cleanse and exfoliation in one. So you have to soak the pads with warm water or your favorite cleanser and gently wipe over face. Suitable for machine wash after use. Very, very interesting. Oh my God. I have to say that I'm very, very impressed with the contents of this box from Lookfantastic. Amazing. I mean, the odd time you're going to get a repeat item like something from Lord & Berry, but a different kind of lip pencil or maybe a different color. But other than that, the products are really good. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 items in this box for Lookfantastic for the month of January. And I have to say again, I am royally pleased and very impressed. Congratulations, Lookfantastic. Your box is amazing this month. Amazing. And I love the fact that the little booklet gives you all the details of the products, which is really good. And I'm looking forward to trying out these reusable pads from this company called Glov, because skincare is really, really important to me, more so than makeup. So this is really amazing. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. I mean, of course, you know that the Lookfantastic Beauty Box is a monthly subscription. And as a matter of fact, I didn't realize that I had another subscription from them, because I did cancel the subscription because I don't usually buy a lot of beauty boxes because I think it will cost so much money. I mean, if you can afford it, that's fine. But if you are on a budget or it's not something that you do very often, I mean, you can definitely do that. And of course, the packaging is quite nice, good for storage. If you're just starting a YouTube channel, great for your videos and stuff like that. Amazing box. It's all going to be linked below for you guys. So that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles. Bye.